Welcome back to the Backroad Driver channel. This is where we do crazy things with F-150s. We're gonna have Broncos in the future, and who knows, we may mix in some cars. Today we're gonna show you how our Caltracs traction bars that just went on actually work in the real world. And it's been kind of crazy. We've had about a week on them now. It's way different than we thought it would be. It's way better than we thought it would be. I've heard stories about them being rough. They're not rough. First, let me go ahead and show you a video right now of the wheel hop that we had after we got the truck supercharged. We put it in 4-wheel high and try to launch, and you can see how much bounce we've got in the rear end. So check that out real quick. In our last video, we showed the install these, or showed us getting these traction bars on. I'll give you a quick peek at them, and then we'll go out on the street and actually show you a launch and show you how radically different that is from what you just saw. So the bars actually connect right there on the frame, then they go back and connect on the rear end. And I have to say, just a quick 1 week review, they've been freaking awesome so far. We'll get into in the next few videos some actual draggy times to show you what's up with that and physical numbers on this. But it's radical how much these things have helped. So without delaying any longer, go ahead and subscribe real quick. It helps us grow this channel, so we need you to support us because we're fixing to do a lot of neat things. We're actually in Middle Tennessee filming this to get some more work done. You'll have to wait and see what that video is all about. But we're not going to stop anytime soon with this truck. So go ahead and hit subscribe, and then let's get this thing launched. A couple things we got to do to get the truck set up to be exactly like we had it in the other video. Fire up. We got the exhaust in loud mode. One thing I hate about this is to film and for you to be able to hear, I've got to cut the AC off and the butt chillers. Feels a lot better with all that on. First thing I'm going to do is get into sport mode. Then I'm going to turn advanced track off so that we got no traction control trying to take over. My supercharger just works a lot better that way. I'm going to switch into 4-wheel high. We'll get the best launch this way. And this is where we had the ridiculous hop before. We'll see if she sets down and goes. Car parts in the back. If you keep watching, if you subscribe and keep watching, you'll see what's up with all that. All right, here we go. That's fast. We got a quarter in. We got the draggy running. In a very soon video, you'll be able to see what the truck actually runs. In the 0 to 60, the 8, the quarter. We wanted to get this run in to show you what this does in the rear end. Go ahead and subscribe. Video of what we've done on the most recent rear end parts and what we're doing. Let me turn the draggy off. And what we're doing on times at this point. Just kind of stay tuned. Check that out because we're rolling them out 2 to 3 videos a week, and I think you're gonna like where all this is going. This is the, let me just explain a little bit about this truck and what we're thinking with this. This isn't boosted F-150, who's got one of the baddest F-150s for speed that is out there, and what he's doing right now is amazing. So I'll put a link to Boosted F-150's YouTube channel down in the description. He's awesome. Dorian he's the man. He's actually helped me on some of the parts that we're having installed today for the gearing and for the rear end, pointing me in the right direction. This isn't the big diesel trucks lifted that all they'll do is pull and off-road. This is kind of a Swiss Army knife. It's in between. We can run fast. We can go off-road mildly. We could probably go more aggressive than we do off-road. We're fast. This truck is really, really quick for what it is, but we're doing it on 33¼ inch Netto Ridge Grappler tires. So it's definitely a Swiss Army knife. It's probably more like what every guy would like to drive, but you gotta tow and have a daily driver that doesn't get 9 miles to a gallon, or you've got a drag truck because you're just a drag guy. But this is somewhere in between. The traction bars hook up. I think you can see that just a second ago. I got maybe just a little bit of spin, but I don't think I had much hop. We'll show you that. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for what we're doing with this truck and what we're going to do off-road, the back road drives. There's mods in our channel. There's also driving in our channel where we go off-road and do some really neat spots in East Tennessee. So check it out. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments. We'll see you next time.